This spot makes me really happy. Gotta stay on top of the weeds. Can't keep up with them. I don't love this yellow. I think I'm gonna get rid of those. My poor pink splash Vigilia. We had such a really, really mild winter. It's coming back. I have to get rid of all that ugly dead stuff. This is a little lime hydrangea. Looks like nothing right now, but wait for the fall. End summer, fall. But look at this show. I love it. Wintry sky iris in front, kind of a shorter variety. Blue sapphire in the back, and in the way back it'll be an orange. I think it's called a western lin. No, that's a pink one. I can't remember the name of that rose. These really tall lilies are eyeliner lilies. We got some more lilies coming up. Look how pretty. I just love it. It's very fun. Can't wait for all the color. We got iris color now. As soon as the iris are gone, we'll get the lilies, the daylilies, and the roses coming in. Look at this bright, bright yellow. Oh, I love it. I like bright yellow. Those muted yellow are not my favorite. So, it's a joke. If this turns out to be brown, it's going to my sister. That one's a little bit better. It's kind of got orange. I don't like brown. Here's some more bright yellow. I'll keep those. This guy, let's see what he is. Hopefully he's another best bet. Look at the view over here. Oh, I love it. So if we come straight in, there's a best bet. Some of it's kind of fading. This is another favorite. This one is called Autumn Circus. And these brand new dark plum ones. Oh, they're so pretty. So here's the other side of this bed. I'm about to see the western lin. This one's called western lin orange. We got daylilies, and these were free spirea bushes. I'm super excited to see those. I thought these roses were dead. I transplanted them, and hopefully we don't have the rootstock coming back, but we will see. Love, 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 love this time of year. Here's a better angle. Some of this beautiful bed. A lot of these were free plants. I'm really loving this spot. There's I think it's called a butterfly peony in the back, first year blooming. Bright yellow iris, a catmint, gorgeous rose I got free. Some really gorgeous tall lilies, a good price at Walmart. This is I think it's a golden barberry. I think it had the tag in there somewhere. My sister gave me that one. Just loving it. I love spring. Look at my iris. Oh, they make me happy. Gorgeous rose about to burst. Here's some more iris. I am loving it. And yes, I have to get a lot of weeds out. I pulled out some light iris. I did not like the color. I like these bright ones. So here's some more. Here's a winter sown thing. A glorioso daisy. Taking a little bit of beating, but it'll come back. I think that's a coreopsis. Here's another peony about to burst. Super excited. A free rose. Here's some more beautiful spots. Big thing of yarrow. I can't remember what this one's called. I'll have to try to find the tag. My sister gave me that one too. loving my yard right now. Can't wait for the roses and the peonies, but my iris are sure putting on a show. I decided by all the rocks that I was going to put in sedums and different things like quite a bit of weeds here. I can get caught up weeding all day. These are hen and chicks, but I also think it would be fun to just start putting them by the rocks because they don't get a lot of water over here. We're in the desert of Utah. Dragon's blood sedums, hen and chick sedums. I also am going to fill in a lot of spots with the autumn joy, and then I want a dark colored sedum.